So welcome back, my digital marketing friends here at Elevate. The men, I commend you. You're my heroes for showing up and working on your goals. Women, you're inspirational. Keep this momentum going. So today we're going to be talking about something interesting. Have you vocalized your goals, made a declaration that you're going to make this happen? This is how we're going to pull ourselves up and out of week 8. So if you don't publicize your goals, it's not that you won't accomplish them. It's just you can kind of keep it silent. You get to kind of make each of the steps happen at your own pace. You might not be moving very fast, which could be discouraging. You're checking all the boxes, making sure you're getting there along the way. And this is also something interesting. What if you fall short of your goal? Is that the reason why you've kept it private? Save face? That was me with one of my first 12-week year attempts. It was a big goal. I had both business, health, and personal, but I kept it to myself. Not because I didn't believe in them and know that I knew I could totally accomplish it. I'm just that goal driven. But I was scared that I wouldn't follow through on one of them. I didn't want to be that person who talks a big game and then all of a sudden disappears. So I stayed quiet. I told myself, just get it done, and then you can share the win. But here's what happened instead. I lost steam. I lost my momentum. I didn't have anybody kind of knowing that I was working on it, so in which case I could slack a little, and in which case that momentum slowly drifted, right? So, public declarations. All right, here's another example. This one, I don't know where it fits, but it's a good example. So, me and my husband were in Las Vegas, as I told you a few weeks ago. And we decided to walk to the Sphere. It took us 2 hours to walk in that one direction. Our hotel was on one end of the strip and the Sphere was on the other. So as soon as we got past the Sphere and started turning around, my foot started to hurt something fierce. And I realized as I climbed up the stairs to get to one of the overpass walkways, my legs started burning. And I'm looking, going, I have to go all the way back down. We're not talking a little way, we're talking the whole strip. And I'm like, okay, my legs are ready to give out. My foot is hurting beyond belief. And do I want to hurt that bad tomorrow with my poor foot? Could I take the easy way out? Sure, we could have grabbed an Uber, we could have grabbed a taxi. But we were at this business conference. And it was talking about how you keep pushing past some of the problems that you have. And I'm like, well, this is a perfect example. If I can do it physically, then I know I can do it mentally, because this is also a mental challenge against the pain. So with those burning legs, I started walking up and down those stairs. And I went, okay, foot's really hurting. Let's take a small break. All right. We found a nice location where we could just sit and watch something. All right, felt better. Let's walk another distance. Okay, legs are burning, foot is hurting. Let's stop again. Okay, let's watch the fountains at the Venetian. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep moving. Okay, we've got more stairs. We've got a lot of stairs. We've got a lot of stairs going through the mall. Okay, got through that. Need to stop and rest. Okay. Foot's hurting, let's stretch it. Okay, mental. I'm not going to cave now. I've made it more than 2/3 of the way. Mental. I can make it all the way home. No, I'm going to prove to myself I can make it all the way home. Because when things get hard, I need this example. I need to prove to myself, no matter what the pain, I can do it. So we started walking some more. Okay, now we're nearing the street and we have to kind of cross over the freeway to get to the hotel. Okay, that was a big intersection with a lot of crazy construction traffic to get through that crosswalk. Okay, we made it through. We're looking at the gas station right next door to our hotel. I need a drink. Like I need like a Pepsi 7-Up, something refreshing to get me through tonight. I have accomplished a lot. 4 hours of walking when my legs were like rubber towards the second hour and my foot was burning. I did it. I get the reward now. Okay, so with this example of perseverance and trying to keep going the distance, think of the marathon runners. Think of people who do triathlons, what they have to push through. As teenagers, if you did sports, remember the last time you pushed beyond what you thought you were capable of. We all have that spirit within us. Just somehow with age, we kind of lose it. Let's not lose it. Let's regain it, re-implement it, and make 8-week goals that keep moving us forward step by step. Got it? Here we go. And today we are in week 8 of 12 weeks. And today we're going to be talking about the power of public declaration. You might be thinking, what is that? Well, it's one of the most powerful secret weapons we have to help propel your momentum to get you to the finish line. So you've made it this far, 2 months, and we're 8 weeks in. So now, today we're diving into the secret weapon of goal setting. And that is to boost your momentum, sharpen your mindset, and create momentum so you can't do it alone. You're going to use people around you to help propel you to the finish line. So here's a kicker. We're going to make it easy with the help of AI. So stay tuned and we're going to show you how. Well, when you declare something intentionally, it kind of sticks in the brain. And something powerful happens when you do that. You call it commitment bias. You feel more accountable, not just to yourself, but to the community you declared it to. Plus, sharing your wins, struggles, invites encouragement, advice, and fresh energy. So if you've ever hesitated to share your goals or progress, this week I'm going to show you how to do it confidently in a way that feels authentic to yourself and empowering to yourself. So stay tuned. So how to use your accountability group momentum? Well, here's the 4 key pillars you're going to utilize. 1, you're going to be consistent. You're going to share weekly updates. It's just about the small wins or challenges that happen each week. Next, you're going to ask for help. Hey, don't be afraid to ask your group. Maybe they've got the answer. They've done it before. Celebrate the wins. Of course, all your wins are so important. And offer support. Be the support to your community. So the more you give, the more you get back. It's not just about being perfect. It's about progress and momentum. So stay tuned. So if you're not sure how to publicly declare your goals to your community, you're not alone. So we're going to use the power of AI to help craft a way to word it so it feels authentic to you. So if you're not sure what to say, that's okay. You don't need to be a social media guru or a great writer. Here we can use a simple AI prompt and you can craft your goals and updates to celebrate in your posts. So write a positive, authentic social media, updating my progress towards my 12-week goals, insert your goal, include a challenge I'm facing, and how I've overcome it. That's all you need to do. You can throw that into GPT chat and have it generate something for you. So watch as I type in this GPT chat and it gets a few polished, heartfelt options so you can customize it and share it. And you can do this for weekly updates. You can do it for shout outs. You can even do celebration posts And then when you hit a milestone, celebrate. So just remember, this is your journey and your voice matters. Using AI suggestions only helps improve your time and speed. You're still giving it that human touch so you can sound more authentic to yourself. It just helps you speed up because sometimes it's just hard to get started. So no need to overthink or wait for perfection. Your community just wants to hear a real story from you, your ups, your downs, and all arounds. So consistency beats perfection every single time. So what's next? Well, in week 9, we're going to tackle how to handle distractions and stay laser focused to get you to that finish line. So now focus on showing up in your group this week, share your progress, your wins, and yes, even your struggles, which I know might sound very hard to do. And AI helps you craft those posts so you don't feel stuck or overwhelmed. So my action step to you right now is pick one update to share in your community and accountability group this week. Use the AI prompt to help get you started to know what to say. Customize it and make it feel like you. Way to go! Congratulations on finishing up week 8. I'll see you in week 9. Bye for now.